Hi there, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on a sky-high journey to explore the top 5 best drones you can get right now. Whether you're a beginner, a photography lover, or just looking for a fun flying experience, we've got something for everyone. From long-lasting battery life to stunning 4K cameras, we'll break down the features, pros, and why each drone could be the perfect fit for you. Stick around till the end, because one of these drones might just be your next aerial companion. Number 5. Ruco F11 Pro 2 drone with 6K camera for adults. Capture unforgettable family moments, from backyard BBQs to your kid's first bike ride, with cinematic clarity. The Ruco F11 Pro 2 drone transforms everyday memories into cinematic treasures, thanks to crisp 6K photos and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second video, because while time flies, the best parts of life shouldn't fade. Advanced image sensor lens equipped with a premium image sensor lens, this drone captures finer details and richer textures, delivering vibrant colors and exceptional clarity that make your footage truly stand out. Stability redefined. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures superior stability, smooth motion, and enhanced wind resistance, letting you capture professional-level aerial footage effortlessly. Extended flight time with 2 included batteries, each offering 35 minutes of flight. The F11 Pro 2 provides up to 70 minutes of flying adventure in a single outing, perfect for long exploration sessions. Fly smarter, film better. Intelligent GPS flight modes, like Follow Me, Orbit, Cruise Control, and Waypoint Planning, simplify operation, helping beginners and pros alike capture stunning footage with ease. Nighttime Adventures night mode paired with frame retention technology allows for spectacular aerial photography after dark. Charging reminder: always use the Ruco charger for optimal performance and avoid chargers over 12V or designed for other devices. Number 4. GPS camera drone 4K follow. 4K UHD camera and HD screen on controller capture every adventure in stunning detail with the GPS camera drone's 4K camera, featuring a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt. Paired with the HD screen on the controller, you can see exactly what your drone sees, ensuring breathtaking photos and videos every flight. Beginner-friendly, safe and quick fly. Perfect for beginners, this drone offers GPS return to home, RTH, precise hovering, and auto takeoff/landing. These features make it easy to fly confidently while keeping your drone safe during every adventure. Lightweight and no registration needed. Weighing under 249 g, the drone is ultra-portable and does not require FAA registration or remote ID. Its compact size makes it easy to take anywhere, from city parks to weekend getaways. High performance. Equipped with 4 updated brushless motors, the H11 GPS drone delivers powerful, long-lasting flight performance. With 2 included batteries, enjoy extended flying time and uninterrupted fun. Advanced intelligent functions unlock smart flight modes such as automatic follow me, point of interest circling, and more. These features let you focus on capturing incredible footage while the drone handles the technical details. Amazon return policy supported by Amazon.com's voluntary 30-day return guarantee, ensuring worry-free shopping and peace of mind with every purchase. Number 3. Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. Equipped with a sensor and 12MP camera, the Potensic Atom drone records stunning 4K per 30 frames per second video and captures vibrant aerial photos. Its 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures ultra-smooth footage even in level 5 windy conditions, making every shot cinematic and professional. 6. Thanks to upgraded PicSync 3.0 technology, enjoy a powerful 6 km per 20,000-foot transmission range with enhanced anti-interference. The intuitive controller allows for easy, precise, and confident drone handling for both beginners and pros. 1.3, 96. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries and a 60W parallel charging hub, delivering up to 96 minutes of total flight time. A 64GB micro SD card is included for ample storage of all your aerial adventures. And weighing under 249 g, the Atom doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration. Its palm-sized frame and included storage bag make it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Visual tracking and quick shots, pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, boomerang, let everyone create cinematic videos effortlessly. GPS auto return and photo firmware updates keep your flights safe, smooth, and ever improving. Number 2. GPS drones with 4K camera for adults. Experience the skies like never before with the G10 GPS drone, featuring a 4K UHD camera and 120 degrees wide-angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens for stunning 3840x 2160p images and immersive aerial shots, SD card included. Its FHD screen on controller provides clear, reliable feeds even in bright sunlight, enhancing control with a crisp 2K display while saving your 4K photos to the SD card. Perfect for beginners, the drone offers precise hovering, auto takeoff/landing, and GPS auto return for worry-free flights. Advanced GPS functions like Follow Me mode and orbiting let you capture dynamic, professional shots effortlessly. Lightweight and portable under 249 g, foldable design with a travel-friendly handbag eliminates FAA registration hassles. Brushless motors deliver long-lasting, stable flight, supported by 2 intelligent batteries. Quick start, tutorial videos, and dedicated support make flying safe, fun, and easy for adults and kids alike. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone Combo. Take your aerial photography to new heights with the DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone Combo. No registration needed. Under 249 g, this drone is FAA compliant for recreational use, letting you fly without hassle. Capture breathtaking 4K Ultra HD and 3-axis gimbal footage with cinematic quality stabilization, perfect for sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes. Brushless motors provide 38 km/h, level 5 wind-resistant stability and allow takeoff up to 4,000 meters. Enjoy 10km max HD video transmission for uninterrupted exploration and crystal-clear views of vast landscapes. Extended flight time with 2 intelligent batteries offers up to 62 minutes of uninterrupted flying. Beginner-friendly features include one-tap takeoff/landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering. Quick shots and in-app learning resources make capturing cinematic videos effortless. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to operate, the DJI Mini 4K Drone Combo is ideal for adults seeking adventure, professional quality footage, and a seamless flying experience anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Below, check links in the description box. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.